So I would say resilience should always be on the agenda of an ANSP and on a service provider, but especially going through two big crises continuously during now years is of course inviting us to assure that we can react and that we can bounce back and that we can deal with this crisis. So I think it's the crisis itself is of course nothing somebody wants to have to deal with, but once it happens we have to be able for the quality of our services and our customer service promise to react on this and to be resilient. So yeah. Yes, I would say you have to look at the flight from the tarmac, from the parking to the destination, and I think we can still improve on this cooperation, avoiding, for instance, with X-Man holdings over bigger airports, understanding the needs and the challenges of the airports, of the aerodromes, and looking at the flight as a whole and trying to support all actors, because at the end we are just as efficient as the weakest in the chain. So you could also maybe talk about the CIF mill functional use of airspace. There also you see that there are still improvements which can be done. So we made a lot, and we have a trustful and a good relation between CIF and mill, and also now this crisis has shown that booked or pre-booked airspace is also given to the actors. But I think these could be, for instance, two examples where you can still improve easily. You can still prioritize some flights by trying to smoothen the trajectory and by trying to coordinate with the dispatch, with the airliners, a better, maybe a higher flight level in order to assure that these planes can land before curfew. So there are many areas where operationally, if you understand the needs of all the actors, you can already today, with the support of the NM, network manager, and with cooperation with boarding ANSPs and airports, improve and increase efficiency.